welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a double somewhat unboxing from Gucci. These are two vintage Gucci pieces that I purchased off of eBay, and I hinted at it on my Instagram. It took a bit because I wanted to get them authenticated. Although with eBay you can, they have a guarantee, I still want to get them authenticated. I've also learned that if you order from Japanese sellers, not only do they have the best deals, but apparently they can't ship out counterfeit. I don't know if that's true or how true it is or if there's a way around it. But I did wait to get these authenticated before I shared them and officially added them to my collection. So let's go ahead and jump right in with the first bag that I'm currently using. And I don't know the official name for this one. But I will also share what is currently on the website and similar to both of these bags. So first off is the Gucci large shoulder tote bag. So, I'm sorry, Diana shoulder tote bag. So you have the bamboo handle. This is a hobo bag, which is just so cute. I love it. You can get these on eBay for, I saw one as low as $60 to $200 to $300, and it's a perfect little over-the-shoulder bag. Some of them that are in better condition have a strap. I didn't think I was actually going to use the strap with this one, so I opted for one that didn't. I spent like $90 on this, and with these vintage bags, the biggest thing is that they have like a really disintegrated leather on the interior, and so with the other bag that I got, I was able to actually clean it. This one, it wasn't too disintegrated, which is somewhat good. It still had a lot of leather intact, but with that, I couldn't clean it out and fix it, essentially. And so, for the most part, it's kind of gross more towards the top than the bottom. And not so gross, it's just you can see like the disintegrated leather, and then you can see that it's going on the organizer. But as you'll know, I primarily get organizers for most of my bags anyways, and so I figured why put in all this effort to clean it and then destroy like what's left of the leather. I'll just wait to see what happens over time. But I'm going to probably get an organizer for this bag anyways, especially since it's a hobo bag. So I ordered this off of Amazon, and it's a perfect fit. It can expand as well, which is nice, but as y'all can see, I only have a few items in here. But I really love this organizer because there's a dedicated spot for my iPad mini. You can fit your phone on the side. I also have my key just tucked away in one. There's also external pockets, so there's another iPad mini holder here. You can also put a book there. And then there's two over here. I don't know if I'll use those just because, again, like you can see where the leather is disintegrating, and then here's like a up close look. But for $100, like perfectly, like if you look at the leather is absolutely incredible. And it's a, you know, for $100, it's not only a vintage bag, but it's like true leather, bamboo. It's absolutely stunning, and I love it. And so I was fine just adding an organizer, calling it a day, and keeping this organized, but also keeping it structured because of how this bag is. Like, this really helps keep its shape as well and helps it stand up. One thing that I also really love is that you can fit a 13-inch and probably even a 16-inch. I'll just stick up MacBook Pro in here. So it'll cover it up. You won't be able to close the buttons. Maybe if you didn't have the organizer and it would just like sag at the bottom, but I really love that I can fit any of my electronics in here, a book, and it's a true like hobo tote bag that you can put anything that you want in it. So when I saw this for $100, I absolutely love it. It also goes with that quiet, both of these bags that I purchased go with that quiet luxury trend, because they're vintage, they don't have like the Gucci logo anywhere. It's really a, if you know, you know. Otherwise, people just think it's a, you know, leather bag with a bamboo handle. But this is the shoulder bag, and I will put on screen the one that is currently similar on the website. That this one's a slightly smaller, but I mean the Diana collection goes for thousands for each piece, and to find something this well made, well kept up for $90 is incredible. So this is the first bag we added to the collection. And then for the piece that I am most excited about, and it took a bit to clean up, I got a vintage Gucci Diana. So this is actually what led me on the search to discover vintage Gucci. And I actually have another bag on the way from Louis Vuitton that I found on eBay, and I think now eBay is probably going to be my new fashion file, just because I love the pieces. I love the price points you can get them at, and then the authentication didn't take too much for both of them. So, or wasn't too much for both of them. But I am absolutely in love with this bag and really excited to add it to my collection. I love the Gucci Diana tote. That one though is like $1,000. Again, I'll add it on screen. The only difference is, or the biggest difference with like the bag itself, is that it doesn't have that little GG logo right here. But y'all, look, this bag is from the 90s. And why I love this bag so much is because this is actually one that Princess Diana wore, and I'll have a picture on the screen as well for that. Is the reason why they named this bag after her, and I wanted this bag so badly, and I just love, I got this one for $200, I believe. So both of the bags I got for under $300, and again, this is before shipping and taxes, but still, like $300 for fully leather authenticated vintage bags is absolutely incredible. So this one, I'll add again photos on screen, but the interior, the reason why it was $200 was completely disintegrated. And so I went in and I found this video from Shannon Reynolds. She purchased this bag and she completely cleaned it out, and I watched her video on how to do it. And so mine is still drying. I just wanted to do this video, but I am absolutely in love with it. So everything was disintegrated, and then I completely cleaned it out, and now it's just like this felt flannel material, and I have the Gucci Diana bag that I can use. So I'm absolutely in love with it. This one as well will fit a MacBook Pro 13-inch. I don't want to put it in here just yet because it's still a little damp. I will do dedicated videos, like what's in my bag videos for both of these, so y'all can see them up close, but I really just wanted to share these with you guys. So yeah, this is the vintage Diana, and then that is my two newest bags to my collection. I think these are absolutely stunning, perfect for summer, but also just year round too. So yeah, other than that, that is gonna be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and I'll have more content on these soon. Thanks guys.